Now I would like to give a short introduction of the Mullion system. This is the CO drainage system. This is the Mullion profile. This is two pieces of corner. And first of all, apply this Mullion profile into the out frame. And this is another piece. And seat this piece of picture window or operable size window on the seating drainage system, and apply another panel sitting on the CO drainage system, and then mount together.
For more information, please visit our website